Good morning, students, teachers, and all staff at Furry Elementary. Can I please have your attention for the announcements? We live the pirate way so we can be the best versions of ourselves. And being the best versions of ourselves is a choice that we have to make every day. In fact, being the best versions of ourselves is a choice that we have to make many times every day as we try to step up to the different events and step up in the many, many moments that make up just one day. And we focus this week on the part of the pirate way that is adjusting and adapting. Remember, that means to change our responses in some way, and how the best versions of ourselves continues to change each and every day. And not only do we have to adjust and adapt the best versions of ourselves every day, we have to adjust our responses to be the best versions of ourselves many times today and each and every day that we're here at school or wherever else we may be. And we pulled up this E plus R equals O yesterday to see how when we want to live above the line, we know that every day is different and we're going to have to adjust and adapt every day to be the best versions of ourselves. Well, we can even add to that now. If we want to keep that same outcome of being the best version of you, we also have this, that events are different throughout each and every day. But that same response will get us to being the best versions of ourselves. We have to be ready to adjust and adapt. Think of the school day. The responses you need to give to be the best version of you when you're entering school, let's say in the morning, and you're talking with your friends. There's a way to respond to be the best version of yourself at that moment when you're talking to your friends. But that's different than the responses you're going to need to be the best version of yourself when you're in the classroom and you're listening to your teacher and trying to learn. The same can be said for different classes that you're in, such as gym or art. You're going to have to adjust and adapt your responses for the different classes to be the best version of you. It sounds like there's a lot of change that goes on throughout the day, a lot of adjusting, and there is if you're doing the work to be the best version of you. So while we focus so much on adjusting and adapting, one thing about being the best version of you will always remain the same. And really, it's a few things. You have to always give your best effort. You can never quit trying. And then when you're able to do those two things, you also have to be able to get your mind right, to step up and do the work, to live the pirate way, so you can be the best version of yourself. And now will everyone please stand, face the flag, put your right hand over your heart, and join me for the Pledge of Allegiance and the Pirate Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. At Furry Elementary School, we work to build trust so we can count on each other. We own our responses and take responsibility for our actions. We work to connect as pirates and support one another. We learn the pirate way so we can be the best versions of ourselves. All right, thank you, everyone. Today is Friday, January 13th, 2023, and for lunch today will be a toasted cheese sandwich, green beans with mixed fruit. Sandwich of the week, once again, ham or peanut butter and jelly. We have one birthday in the building to celebrate today. We want to say happy birthday to Melena Gibbs, who gets to celebrate her birthday with the Furry team. And we have several birthdays taking place over the long weekend. Remember, we have a 3-day weekend coming up. So we want to say happy early birthday to Bentley Cappuccini, Connor Clemens, Mia Flores, Lauren Nicole, Mallory Marcinik, and Nathan Warren, who will all celebrate their birthdays over our long weekend. Happy early birthday to all of those students. And we have some academic congratulations to recognize this morning. So we'd like to say congratulations to kindergarten student Logan Fox for joining the Alphabet Club, and that's in Miss DuBois's class. We want to say congratulations to second grade student Jax Townsend for completing the addition facts on the extra math program, and that's in Mrs. Riggy's class. And we want to say congratulations to second grade student Macy Kania for passing the addition and the subtraction facts on the extra math program in Mrs. Marcinik's class. as well as saying congratulations to every student in Mrs. Marsink's class for all showing growth on their Acadian's words per minute and accuracy. Well done to all of those students who are doing the work to continue growing the best versions of their academic selves. And now let's go ahead and take that moment to press pause and get our minds right and think about how, yes, we're going to have to adjust and adapt all throughout the day to be the best versions of ourselves, but we have to make sure that we're always giving our best effort and doing the work to never quit, because that's going to keep us going towards that best version of us. So let's go ahead and first start by breathing in for 4 and hold and breathe out. All right. Very, very good. I do not have any other announcements for you this morning. So let's keep doing the work to build trust, to own, and to connect. And let's make it a great day, Furry.